Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this simple tutorial and straightforward as well, I will explain you how you can remove the underline from the header menu in Shopify. I'm referring to this one, the menu item. As you can see, if you hover over it, it displays the underline, which is kind of annoying for some users. And obviously, if you are on the current page, it also highlights that current menu. Like if I select the about page, it will also highlight this one. So we have to remove this through coding, and the process is very simple. You don't have to open the theme code. You just have to click on customize. This works. I have tested it for the Dawn theme, but it will hopefully work for every Shopify theme regardless of the class name, because the class names are a bit different for most of the Shopify themes, but it has been tested for Dawn theme and it works really fine, so no issue for it. And also I have made a separate file for it. You will just have to copy the code for it. No, I will leave the link in the description. You just have to copy this code, and then you have to click on theme setting. So remember, this is 2.0, and you have the theme settings. You have the option for the custom css here. You just have to scroll down and you have to click on custom css and insert the code here. Like, oh sorry, I've just inserted the code before. So this was my previous code, and you can add as much css code you want. That's not a problem. So currently I will add the code at the bottom, but if you don't have the css before, you can add it anywhere. That's not a problem. So you just uh, have to enter this code and click on save, and it will work really fine, not an issue. I will also explain you how this code works. Basically, header menu item hover, so it means that if we hover over to the menu item, it should not display any text decoration or underline. Okay, and the second one, this header active menu item, so the active page will also not display the underline. So let's refresh and see if it is working fine or not. And I've just refreshed, and as you can see, it is not showing the underline and hover. And I selected the contact page, or I'll go to any page, it will not show any underline. So that's it. That's it for this tutorial. I hope the things are clear. This was very straightforward, and I'll be making more tutorials in the future. Thank you very much.